This is our 2002 Maserati Spyder. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. And then there will be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So this is a 3-owner car, sold new in North Carolina. It was in North Carolina until 2006, and then it has been in Illinois ever since. Silver over black leather, black top. You'll see a couple photos of the black convertible top there in the listing. It is powered, it is functional. A couple little scuffs on it though to be aware of. As I mentioned, all of the blemishes on the car will be shown in this video, so just hold out for that just for a minute. But the body's nice and straight. There is one door ding, and that is on the driver door, kind of on the upper portion. You can see it there. The rockers are really nice and clean on both sides. Wheels are very nice. 27,000 miles on the car, and condition is pretty much consistent with that. 27,000 miles of light wear, a couple little chips, a couple little scuffs on the wheels, nothing significant. Michelin Pilot Sport tires. DOT number indicates they are from 2009, but they are in really nice shape. Glass and light lenses are all clear and crack free. We did put a paint gauge on it, and readings are completely consistent throughout. No evidence of any resprays or damage. Clean CarFax, shows no incidents. This car does have the semi-automatic 6-speed, so it's a paddle shift car. Fun to play with. A good bit slower than paddles are these days though. But yes, you can leave it in automatic mode, which is what we usually do. The Ferrari-derived motor just sounds amazing. Really, really a highlight of this car. Excellent for top-down cruising. Now, here are all the blemishes on the car. There's a decent-sized chip on the driver's side of the front right there. You can see the front spoiler is actually in really nice shape. No cracks or damage there. There is the door ding on the driver door. Get down low, there's a scratch towards the rear of the driver rocker. Then on the convertible top, this is the portion that goes up and down. There's a scratch there behind the driver headrest. Then over to the passenger side, a couple little tiny little things. Little scuff, really hard to see. Just a couple super light scratches. You know, we're nitpicking, but it's a clean car. Another little tiny scuff. It's missing a plastic piece on the outside of the headrest. Not really a functional piece, but space filler. Undo the interior. Black leather, red stitching. Looks really good. Dash top, no wrinkling or anything like that. You can see the vent on the outside has some marks from being used over the years. 27,000 mile car. All the dash lights and signals are functional. Radio is functional. Air conditioning, compressor kicks on but it does not blow cold. Heat and fan are functional. You see the cup holder there. The digital dash display, the center screen, that whole system's functional. All the interior lights work, power windows. Dash, very good. Interior, the seats much of the same. Passenger one has very little wear. Driver's seat just has a little bit on the outer bolster. Overall, very good. No punctures, nothing like that, no significant scuffs, just 27,000 miles of aging. Black carpets are in nice shape, not sun faded, and the car will come with its 2 original Maserati floor mats. Door panels are in good shape, no kicked open damage.